Hi, today's video is going to be very interesting and informative for you. So let's get started without wasting our time. We will learn today about the app that is Paperpile. I have downloaded it from my Play Store. So you can also download it easily, and this is the Paperpile app. So what is in this app, what you can do here is that this app is about managing your research works that is used to create the library of your articles. You can store articles here, and you can also add new articles. You can search articles. For example, you are going to add new here, you can write any article name, and you can add them here. So here you can see I have write down about a topic health, and there are different articles that are relevant to health topics. So here I can easily add it to my library. So by clicking on plus sign I can add it to my library. So for example, I have included this article in my library, so I will go back to my to library, and here I can see that I can search the article here that I have added here. So this is the topic that I have this is the article that I have added it to my library. So its PDF is restricted. If it is free article, then you can download it from here also. So find and download PDF automatically, and you can browse for PDF manually. So this is because this is restricted, so you couldn't download its PDF article, but you can do its search. You can search its citation, and you can also check its abstract for your research work. So it's easy to use and very helpful website or Play Store app. You can use it on your mobile phone, and you can also use it on PC. So it's easy to install and easy to learn. So here you can also save the citation. So here the citation will be copied, and you can paste it anywhere where you want to add it. So this as a librarian, if you are going to help the researchers, you could explore this Play Store app, and you can share its information and its use, its benefits to your users. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Keep watching. Thank you.